This is the airport this is the railway station at Manchester Airport. Just having a quick look around. I will make a video of the airport, but let's have a look at the railway station. So basically, if you come from anywhere in the UK, you can arrive here and you'll be in the airport. Well, not far from the airport. Just those stairs. So there it is. We're actually in the railway station. There are the ramps up to the terminals 1, 2, 3. And have a buffet and waiting place there. And obviously there's the trains to London, wherever you want to go. And so this is the ramp into the airport. To show you how near the railway station is to the airport. So say you come from London, you just buy a ticket to Manchester Airport railway station and you go up the ramp. That's not a bad day today. It's September the 6th. So that's the railway station, and here's the airport. We've got to get at the barrier, so perhaps I'll leave my phone to swipe so I can get out. So there it is, Manchester railway station, Manchester Airport. So put a like and thanks for watching.